I surrender to the flow of life. I release all resistance and embrace the present moment. Letting go brings me peace and freedom. I trust that everything is unfolding as it should. I release control and allow things to unfold naturally. I am open to receiving the abundance of the universe. Surrendering allows me to find inner peace. I let go of fear and embrace love. I release the need for approval from others. I am at peace with my past, my present, and my future. I trust in the process of life. I surrender my worries and embrace serenity. Each breath I take allows me to go a little more. I release the need to judge myself and others. I am free from the burden of resentment. Letting go opens the door to new possibilities. I surrender to the wisdom of the universe. I release attachment to any outcomes. My heart is open and I surrender to love. I let go of the need to be in control. Surrendering is a strength and not a weakness. I trust in the divine timing of my life. I release the need for perfection. Letting go is an act of self-love. I am grateful for the lessons that surrender teaches me. release any negative thoughts and welcome positivity. I surrender to the natural flow of my emotions. I am free from the weight of my past mistakes. Surrendering brings clarity and understanding. I let go of what no longer serves me. I surrender my fears and replace them with courage. I trust my journey even when I don't understand it. Letting go allows me to be present in the now. I release the need for external validation. I am deserving of love and abundance. Surrendering is an act of faith in the unknown. I release the need to compare myself to others. I am open to the beauty of life's mysteries. Letting go allows me to find joy in simplicity. I surrender to the healing power of forgiveness. I release the need to cling to the past. I trust that the universe has a plan for me. I am a co-creator of my reality through surrender. Letting go is a pathway to inner peace. I release resistance and welcome acceptance. I trust in the unfolding of my unique journey. Surrendering allows me to live authentically. I let go of the need to control others. I am open to receiving the blessings of the universe. I surrender to the wisdom of my higher self. Letting go empowers me to live in the present moment. I release the need for constant busyness. I am a channel for positive energy, and I release negativity. I trust in the abundance of the universe. I surrender to the natural rhythm of life. I let go of worry and embrace a sense of calm. I am free from the burdens of the past. Surrendering allows me to embrace the beauty of change. I release the need for instant gratification. I trust that challenges are opportunities for growth. I am open to the flow of inspiration and creativity. Letting go allows me to live with greater ease. I surrender to the perfection of the present moment. I release the need to be right and embrace understanding. I am at peace with the uncertainty of the future. Surrendering brings me into alignment with my true self. I am a magnet for positive experiences and relationships. Letting go is an act of self-love and self-compassion. I surrender to the divine guidance within me. I release the need to hold onto grudges. I am open to the limitless possibilities of the universe. I let go of the need to please everyone. I trust that life is happening for me, not to me. Surrendering allows me to live in harmony with the present. the need to resist change. I trust that I am supported by the universe. I surrender to the divine wisdom that guides me. I release the need for others to understand me. I let go of the need for certainty in every situation. Surrendering allows me to be in the flow of life. I surrender to the beauty of the unfolding journey. I trust that I am on the right path. I release the need for constant achievement. I am at peace with the rhythm of my own life. Going with the flow allows me to navigate challenges gracefully. I surrender control and let the river of life carry me to joy. I trust that life's currents are guiding me toward my highest good. Each moment unfolds perfectly, and I surrender to its wisdom. Surrendering allows me to dance with the rhythm of the universe. I let go of resistance and allow life's energy to carry me. I trust the unfolding of my journey, and I surrender.